up, guys? It's Ryan from RPS Dent Specialists, bringing you a brand new 2018. It's only had it for 500 miles. Someone has run their mirror along the quarter panel here. The customer is absolutely freaking out. So let's see how this repair turns out. Let's watch, learn, let's check it out. So what I'm using here is a Dentcraft double bend, an ultra soft tip, and a Dentcraft R4 with a cherry tip. And I'm just slowly starting to run this crease to reduce it. It's pretty wide back here at the back side, so I'm just trying to reduce it small. Then I'll go in with a sharper tip and finish. So keep following me through the repair. Alright guys, so I ended up going in with an ultra round tip, then went in with a Dentcraft R4 with a cherry cap, and then what I ended up actually doing was finishing it with this PDR finesse rod. The length of it was perfect, the strength of it did no damage to the inner here. It came out really good. Customer's going to be extremely happy. I am going to hit it with a little bit of toe cut. There's some minor scratching in there from the mirror that rubbed up against it, but then I'm going to run a polisher over it and this one should be gone. But it really turned out really well. I'm actually really surprised how clean it came out in the repair. So remember guys, if you need any paintless dent repair, go to rpsdentrepair.com. Submit your estimate and I'll give you a price pretty quickly. So thanks for watching, and remember guys, keep it real. See you next time.